Hello Sweetwater One families. This is a super quick tutorial video on how to insert a text box into a Google slide. I'm going to go into my Google Classroom, classwork, and I'm going to find the assignment that I need to complete. If you don't see the assignment right here, you need to pull the arrow up, and here you can see the yellow square. That is for your Google slide. When it opens in this first screen, it's not actually editable where you can insert a text box. In order to do that, you need to click the square with the arrow in the top right corner. Now it is open and now you can insert a text box. In order to do that, you're going to click the plus sign and text. It will automatically insert a text box that looks like this. Now, if you want to change the shape and size, you're going to grab the dark blue squares around the perimeter of the box in order to change the size and shape. And that is how you insert a text box.